This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for April 17th, 2020. Corn market up 2 1/2, beans down 4 1/4. Wheat market in Chicago up 3 3/4, Minneapolis up 1/2, Kansas City up 8 3/4. On the week, corn market down 9 1/2, bean market down 31, Chicago wheat down 23 3/4. The Minneapolis wheat down 25 3/4, and the Kansas City wheat down 13 1/4. Overall this week, kind of a breakdown type environment. That seems to be the trend here as of late. But what's important about this is July corn broke that 336 mark. That opens up price counts down to 297, unfortunately. So we'll see if corn can try to hold in here and get back above that next week, or else suck them to the weakness that's ahead of us, with price counts down to 297 on July corn. The soybean market looks poised to take a challenge at this 829 low area here off the July charts, and if we break that, we're talking 778 next count. So just not so good looking chart formations right now. We're into a firmer seasonal, but really lack a story right now, so planting will begin to take more center shape on focal points here as we work ahead. Feeder cattle market up 127 1/2, live cattle down 85, hog market up 60. On the week, we saw feeder cattle steady on the week, live cattle up 65, and hogs down 47 1/2. Cash trade from 94 to 105 live base, 145, 150 dressed. We saw cutouts firm most of the latter part of the week, and that's what helped bring this board back together. Otherwise, exports were okay at best. But the continued talk continues to be over the slaughter shutdowns. It sounds like a good number of them could be coming back up online Monday, so that'll be a focal point into next week. On the hog side of things, basically slaughter there too, a big concern. When you look to the hogs, we're hanging down right at the bottom of this chart formation, and just things do not look all that encouraging. Even though we had a good export week, we really do not have any positive signs here as these hogs seem to be getting bigger. Slaughter plants are shut down with the big news of Smithfield to start the week, and really just a lack of uncertainty creating negative vibes really for the hog market. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.